Hi, my name is Sarah Brennison, and I am the business leader of Infinite Shine Enterprises, and I'm excited to share with you our new mid-July flyer. Now, the items that you're seeing are going to be good July 9th through August 12th while supplies last. All of these are meant to be solutions for you to meet your meal prepping needs and help you eat healthy and happy all year long. So let's get started by looking at our first solution, the Fresh and Cool set. The Fresh and Cool set is designed to be a refrigerator storage solution to help you prep for the week long. The first set is a 9-piece set.
It comes with a small, a medium, and a large in 3 different colors. This is meant to help you meal prep as you go through your week.
What I like about these containers is it has a large tab, so if you have finger control that isn't the best, what you can do is you can actually take your arm and open up the container that way. What I also love about these containers is they fit nicely in the corners of your refrigerator so that you have easy storage. Adding on to it is our medium set. Now, when you get yours, you're going to see the 3 different colors of the blue, the purple, and of course the green.
This is just what I happen to have in my home.
What I love about this one is this is perfect for about 3 to 4 chicken breasts. So it's great for you to be able to take it out of that container that you get it at the store and have it ready to go for when you have that meal. Next we have the square. What I love about this square is this is a large container that can actually hold a full chicken.
That helps you to prep it because you can take it out of the bag, rinse it off, put it in here, and then when you're ready to go and cook it, it's ready to go.
Easy peasy meal prep solutions. Our bonus buy for the month is 6 of these small containers. So you're going to get all 6 of these ready to go for your lunches or for your snacks on the go. Again, this is your bonus buy while supplies last. Now let's talk about how you can cook everything that you've prepped with your Fresh and Cool container. Stack Cooker is on sale for $99. What I love about it is it's a system that allows you to cook a 3-course meal in about 15 to 25 minutes using the lid as one of the options. It comes with a colander and a base that fits inside, and then the 3-quart base.
Now that chicken that we talked about in the Fresh and Cool set, you can take and you can put the cavity inside the cone. Think of this as like your beer can. Put it inside the Stack Cooker, and it's about 7 minutes per pound in the microwave. The little wings will be sealed up, and they're going to taste just like a rotisserie chicken. Fast and easy, and ready to go for your whole week long.
My husband likes to use the colander part for our hamburger. It's 6 minutes per pound for hamburger. And what I love about it is when you put it inside of either this base or the 3-quart base with the cover, all of the fat and the yuckiness that comes off of hamburger goes into that container. In addition to the Stack Cooker, we have our micro pitcher. I absolutely love the micro pitcher for melting butter especially.
It comes with a 1 cup and a 2 cup microwave safe container that flips over kind of like a hat. That way you can put a whole stick of butter in it, put this in the microwave, and it won't splatter all over the place. It also is great for liquid measurements because it's embossed on the side.
Now that you've prepped your meals, you've cooked your meals, let's talk about lunch. Well, the best way to make sure that you stay on track with your health goals is to actually prep your meals all year long. Whether you have little ones or yourself, having a meal solution where you know you can just grab and go makes it easier for you to stay on track with whatever your health goals. We have this in the Healthy Start set. This set comes with 5 lunches.
Which, if you think about the Lunchables that are inside your grocery aisle, this is about the same size. It has 3 compartments. They are not liquid tight, so if you do put like a ranch or something in it, it might seep over to the other side, just as a heads up.
It comes with 5 water bottles.
And how you see that I'm storing these right here, this is how I actually store them in my cupboard. On its side, it saves space. I love this because instead of having your child or yourself grab a water glass,
16-ounce water bottle is the same size as those that you find in your grocery store, but the difference is these are designed to last a lifetime versus throwing out the disposable ones and filling up our landfills. The last part of this set is the ideal little bowls. What I love about this is exactly 1 cup. It makes it easy for portion control. It fits nicely into most lunch bags. Be sure to check out our sales flyer to see all of the short-term specials that are good while supplies last, as there are many different healthy solutions available to you through August 12th. You have the ability to earn this picnic set when you show off the new flyer with your friends, either on Zoom, Facebook, or even in person where it's allowed. Let's take a look at how you could use your $75 of host credit when you have a qualifying event of $500 and 2 people booking their own. I love this set because it comes with
4 different tumblers, perfect for your picnic on the go, and 4 pieces of silverware so that you're not being wasteful and reusing plastic silverware. It comes with 4 plates, and it comes with a square snack store in this exclusive color. This is perfect for your special K bars or even your Rice Krispie bars. My favorite also is to put our deli meat on the inside of it so that it's easy to go for making sandwiches. It also comes with 4 bowls and a jug that you could use for either beverages or for dry ingredients.
Last, I love that this bowl set is included with this picnic set. It has a large tab, so it's easy to get on and off, and the seal matches the bowl.
The best part about it all is these bowls all nest one inside the other, so it makes it easy storage when you're at home.
This set is only available for those who host their own event through the summer catalog. What would you choose? This Aloha picnic set or the exclusive Modular Mate set that is also a host bonus featured in the catalog?